Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2013 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L, stock number Z5921XXA. Only 49,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, bright white in color. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. It's Town & Country seat 7 with a leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. Rear climate control. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, hitch and wiring, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection, automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. They are also heated when they're in the upright position. You have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 49,000 miles. Cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive. Never have to carry it along again. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation to get you where you need to go. Rear DVD player control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated seats and heated steering wheel. Slide out cup holders, power outlets, even more storage in the removable center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Liftgate, sliding door controls, Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ5921XXA to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.